In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to make WhatsApp poll votes anonymous. Let's get started. With this feature, you can create polls where participants can see the live vote totals for each option, but the identities of the people who voted remain hidden. This makes it easier to collect honest feedback while protecting everyone's privacy. Launch WhatsApp, navigate to the group chat, click on the plus option, select the option poll, enter your question and add up to 12 answer choices. Next, scroll down to the poll settings below your answer options and look for the hide voter names toggle. Enable for that option. Once everything is ready, tap send to publish your anonymous poll in the chat. After your poll is live, participants can vote just as they normally would. Everyone in the conversation will be able to see the live vote counts for each answer option, but the names of the people who voted will remain hidden. This allows group members to share their opinions privately while still letting everyone follow the overall results as the poll progresses. If you don't see the hide voter names option yet, you can update your WhatsApp to its latest version. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.